Alright, so here is the best way on how you can set up gov.uk one login account. So it's very easy. First of all, what you need to do is just open up this app. It's called One Login and it's from gov.uk. Just simply open it up, and right over here you just need to press on Share Analytics, and then you need to press on Sign in with gov.uk one login. So it's just gonna take a loading for a while, but essentially it will show you ask you to log in or create an account. So right over here you just need to press on you can create a gov.uk because you don't have it, so just simply press on create an account. Now right over here you just gotta put in your email address like this and then press continue. Right over here you'll get a code on your email address which you have to put in and get verified. So this is the simplest step, so just wait for the code to arrive on your Gmail. And for me, I got the code, so I'm just gonna quickly type it in like this: 777 and then 49, and then just simply press continue. Now right over here you just gotta put in a password, so just gonna give it a strong password. And it should be something like this. So you just gotta make sure that your passwords are aligned and same, and make sure that you fill in the requirements of the characters and everything. So this is a very essential step, so just be careful on this one, okay? It's like this. We got the first upper letter, and then here we go. Now you just gotta press continue, and then now it will give you about the security code. So you just gotta text a message to UK Mobile on your phone number, and then just press continue. Or you can use Authenticator app. Simply press continue. Now you'll get a number. You gotta put in your UK phone number, and after that you're pretty much done. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.